Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The First Blush. I know we are meeting after a very long time. So in this particular episode, we'll be talking about our very famous, our very amazing spot in Bangalore. Like all of us love this spot, and this is none other than the Nandi Hills. So apart from being famous for its own trekking spots, the cycling routes, the weather call rides and many other things like this, there is a historical significance behind this particular place, the Nandi Hills. So we are going to be talking about the same in this particular episode. I hope you enjoyed this episode. So let's get started. Talking about the Nandi temple on top of the Nandi Hills reflects the magnificence of the Dravidian culture. Yes, and it was built in the year 1537 by the ruler of the province, Nada Prabhu Hiriya Kempe Gowda. Did you know that during the Chola period, Nandi Hills was also called as Anandagiri, that is Hill of Happiness. And it was called as Nandi Hills perhaps after some time because the entire hill portrayed the sleeping bull. Not just this, but the height of the Nandi Hills is around 5,000 feet. Yes, and the most interesting part of Nandi Hills is there are 6 rivers that is generally originating from the Nandi Hills, and they are Arkavati, Chitravati, Papagni, Uttara Pinakini, Dakshina Pinakini and Palar. And it's 10 kilometers away from Chikballapur and 60 kilometers away from Bangalore, so it makes a perfect weekend for its people there. Nandi Hills not being just popular for its scenic beauty and view, but also for its historical fortress, which is a home for many temples, monuments and shrines. Yes, and one such is the Bhoganandishwara temple, which is dedicated for the Lord Shiva and his companion Parvati and Nandi. Yes, not just this, but previously talking about the ruler and the kingdom, this place was previously ruled by our very own famous Tipu Sultan, and he used this place as a summer retreat. So even now if you go to Nandi Hills, you can find his summer residence there. So most of his life and legacy of Tipu Sultan can be found here. So I think you got a glimpse of what Nandi Hills is, and it's very strange, like whenever you go to a place after knowing the historical significance of its own, the entire view of its place changes. So I hope this video was useful to you. No doubt that Nandi Hills is truly a magical and a peaceful retreat to all of us living in the city, right? So just go and enjoy the scenic beauty of its own and whatever the countryside has to offer to you, and see you on the next episode of First Blush. Until then, take care. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.